Hey guys, welcome back. We're doing a gaming video. What are you doing, Carla? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing with my camera, silly? Huh? Oh, hey, yeah. Steph, Noah, here's his sister. He's going, there's his brother. There's your brother. So I know you can't be near this. What did I tell you? Let me show you what you'd mostly do if I do this with my foot. He's crazy. You do that? You do like this, you're crazy, but you should do it for this foot. Jeez. What the? Why did you do? I didn't do that. Okay, here's doing all schools. Here's default. Restored your equipment for different default states. Jumping first into hell isn't your job. Making sure crowded when you get there is. Blue. It's already daylight. Are looking at the sky. Just put them on the ground. Black. If you can have any color you want, as long as it's black. Gold. Put your money where your mouth is. Which I have the skull helmet. I'll be going through all the helmets that I have. Base. Entire server 2551. Uncommon square one. Group 3 has been solely updated. Upgrade armor base of the base MKVB patterns helmet. Upgraded fighter helmet with hardened uplink and model for equation. Entire in service in 2550-48. Standard equipped for the boarding instructions of the mount. Open for hazard zones. An upgraded fighter is uplinked model for almost equipped. ODST. Many technologies in development have been getting with lesser depth. You can make a upgraded armor vision command network module. Read it. For adaptation for hazard zones, hardened link module. 2. Hazard. VK hazard environment. Color. Hazards are extremely hardened unit. Commander networks boots are upgraded for a veteran issue MC unit. I'm not reading those. EOD. Designed for special high look hide for destinations. What the hell just happened to my camera? Command network to module extends the issue for units. That's like the same ones before. It's the same with the last one. Operator. The B-side has been decided for many unequipped development programs. Like, okay, you know what? We're too late for anyways. The helmet that I would like to wear is not this. This one. Let me show you what it looks like when you do it in the camera. Does that look good? Since we're not doing that, I like to wear this helmet. I like to look like Tom. I look like Tom, huh? I'm a house Spartan technically. Tom. None of you know my name. I actually do have this helmet, not this helmet. You can't get me. Hey, this helmet, I don't know why nobody can get those two helmets. I like this helmet sometimes. But the saddest thing about Halo Reach is that whenever you beat it, you actually die in the process. It's sad that you and your whole team dies except June. June was, oh, creep, that's not a lot of players. I don't know what to do. We're gonna do campaign then. I'm actually, okay, I'm just gonna, that was our gaming session, but I couldn't get, because we're having internet issues, I can't figure it out to be able to do it. I'm bored, I feel like I'm gonna puke. I feel like I'm gonna puke. I feel like I'm gonna puke. I'm actually not feeling good as hell. Oh, that was cool. Oh, Jesus.